Morning. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine actually. It's been after 1 years I'm talking to you.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. So,
Second at third meeting. I think this is second at third meeting. I don't know, but second at third meeting. This is right now. I am talking
mm,
you because yesterday I did not have a time, so that's why I did not send you message.
okay.
And
So,
just I have a topic, so that's why I sent you a message because you will talking about the on any topic. So definitely I believe also anybody can speak English right now. On the topic we will talk, so it's better for the everybody.
mm-hmm. Yeah, that's great.
And
Okay, so,
I think there are over the 2,000 subscriber in your channel. I think.
yes. Okay, so shall we start with the introductions?
Okay, why not? Actually, myself is Marga, and I am belong from Bihar, but currently I am in Delhi. Okay, and 6 months ago I created a YouTube channel, and there are 48 subscribers only on my channel. My channel name is English Learning Blogs, and I have to make a blog on the public for learning English, and I have talked to foreigners because nowadays English is most important, and I am a safety engineer, so that's why I am looking it. So in this purpose, I created channel, but right now I didn't get a mm, motivation from my channel, and right now I didn't grow my channel. But it's a channel named English Learning Blog, so I will make a blog, so definitely I can grow. And almost uh, 48 subscribers. There are 48. That's
Mm-hmm.
all. And it's in this purpose right now I am talking to you because I will be able to speak English fluency so that I can do it.
That's great. I'm really glad finally you have created a one channel for yourself. So, okay. So, if I talk about me, so I'm
Yeah, yeah.
Chandan. I live in Bihar state and professionally I'm a teacher in a primary school. And if I talk about my hobbies, so mostly I love to talk to new people. That's all. So
So
as you mentioned, you have a topic. What
yes,
topic
yes, already I mentioned.
would
Don't
you
worry.
collected? Yeah.
Actually, there are two person in the Bhojpuri industry. Okay, they are
Mm-hmm.
very famous and they are very best actor.
Mm-hmm.
Means Pawan Singh and Khesari.
Okay.
I hope you would have known about to them.
Ye- Yeah, yeah, of course I know.
And you listen the Bhojpuri song. Actually, I listen Bhojpuri because I am belong from Bhojpuri area, so I listen also. So actually, nowadays, Pawan Singh
Mm-hmm.
uh, arrived in the election, but he didn't win in the election. And after uh, failing from the election, right now he's singing a song, and as well as right now he's working whatever. But
Mm-hmm.
what are you thinking about the about two-person means Khesari Lal and Pawan Singh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
discuss about.
Okay. So if I talk about my opinion, so both person are singer and performing well in their life.
Their
There is
life.
no doubt he's a king in Bhojpuri industries, and they are great personalities as well. Both of songs are very amazing. If you are feeling dull, exhausted, so if you listen their songs, so you get more entertainment and energetic you feel from inside. So somewhere having such kinds of singer in our locality, in our state, somewhere it's a very beneficial for us to switch self, switching self from anxiety to positiveness, right? So this is my opinion, sir. What about your opinions?
It take actually my opinion. Whom are you like? First of all, tell me, Pawan Singh or Khesari?
I like both. Both are good
Both.
in itself. Yeah.
Actually, I like mostly Pawan Singh, and according to singing and according
Mm-hmm.
to dancing, I like Khesari Lal, because Lal dances a very best way, means
Mm-hmm.
by soothing the kamar. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know what is the meaning of kamar. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
there are many word meaning available. Uh,
Rest. We can say rest. Rest. Yes.
rest. So I didn't remember
Mm-hmm.
rest. So by soothing the rest, and he dance very well, and as well as he acting very perfectly, and by laughing the all audience. Okay, so actually I follow dancing field and acting field, Sari Lal. But I singing, actually I like mostly singing, and every day I listen a song, two and three, four, five. Listen song, Hindi song, Bhojpuri song, and Haryanvi song, and Punjabi song. So I listen a four language song. They have four language I listen. But mostly I like Pawan Singh, because Pawan Singh is just such of the person in the Bhojpuri field. When he sings in front of the uh, many kind of person, in front of the his audience, so everybody listen carefully. Okay, and everybody actually as smoothly from a smoothly voice. He has a smoothly voice, so that's why many kind of person and all UP Bihar person and Jharkhand person like him in the singing field. So that's why I like 100% Pawan Singh. But second, I like Khesari Lal, and as well as another I like. But I hope you had you would have listened Lollipop Lagelu song. It's very basic. From this song, he was viral,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you were right.
and
I heard
nowadays he's
this
singing a
music.
song also. And I think he's 15 years, yeah, 14, 5 years old. But I don't know what is correct. So this is
Yeah.
a best topic, because you will talking about the on any person, so you will get a motivation from them, and you will feel I can do it. This kind of person are growing. So nowadays we are learning English, so you should talk to the another person, so that actually I made a video about the Bhagat Singh, and today I will make a video about the Chandrasekhar Azad.
Wow, that's great.
So it's the link I will share you, and please subscribe my channel. And this video we will send me after recording.
Hmm. So, as you mentioned, like you love to do some dialogue of Pawan Singh, right, and Kesari Lal.
Yeah, 100% I
So,
like
which
Rocky
dialogue
dialogue.
are you able to do right now? Which dialogue you can do? Any one of
Everything.
them? Yeah. Can you do this one dialogue?
One dialogue, one thing.
Yes.
Dialogue means uh, this is a one best dialogue. जलते हुए दियो को परवाने क्या बुझाएंगे, जो मुर्दों को नहीं जला पाते वो जिंदों को क्या जलाएंगे. It's a dialogue
Yeah. 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 You're
of
right.
the phone thing. It's that I don't know in which movie it's dialogue. I don't.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, I heard this dialogue many time on song.
How many?
I think I heard this dialogue on song. I think some song. I think. Yeah. And what about Kesari? Kesari, do you mention like you like to their dialogue as well? So say one dialogue at least of Kesari Lal.
Hari Lal. There is
Yes.
a one dialogue. Okay, I am thinking. One dialogue. There are many dialogues, but right now I am not remembering. Okay, but I will listen you. One dialogue. It's a song. Hey how Roy is. Hey how. It's when he speaks hey how
Mm-hmm.
in any movie. It's a very uh, smoothly and one
Mm-hmm.
हेलो मारोगी क्या पीटोगी क्या ये इट्स लगा के फेयर लवली कहूँ कटिए चंद्री पगली ना लगा के फेयर लवली I don't remember. Actually, I mostly I listen a song of the phone section. Okay,
Yeah.
and sometime I listen a song of Kesari. So you have any dialogue about the Kesari?
Actually, I don't have remember any one of them, but I had listened music. Whenever the I mean any person are getting married, so in that days people are turning music about multiple Bhojpuri music, and especially on Barathi you can say they are dancing on such kinds of song you can say. So I heard many songs, but I don't watch any movies. I had been watched earlier, but not right now. Mostly, I'm watching many American web series, American movies, so that's why.
No, I watch. I follow all uh, Indian actor and actress. Okay, because they are a very best star our country. Okay,
Of course, you're right. I'm watching not because of I'm criticizing our Indian actors. No, I'm watching American web series because I want to learn some words and some vocabulary, some kinds of related
yes,
English
yes.
stuff. Yeah,
By
that's why
by
I'm watching.
watching a movie, you want to improve English. I understand
Yes.
your.
Hmm. Yeah. Otherwise, I watch every movies, every country's movie, every country's, included our India as well.
Okay, bro. So we have disconnect this session. We
Okay.
should
Are you
disconnect
on duty now?
because there are.
Are you on duty
Yes,
now?
right now I'm on the job. Yeah. So you can send me this video
Yeah, yeah, of
after
course.
recording.
I think are you painting the wall, right? Are you painting the
Painting?
wall? Wall. Are you painting the wall? Right?
No. I'm
Okay, no.
safety engineer. No painter.
Okay. Actually, I have seen such delays, such kinds of delays
Yeah,
putting
it's
on
a
many.
black painting, white painting. It's a
That's why.
back background is perfectly. I wanted, so that's why I came here.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. Yeah, it was amazing conversation, and your topic was quite stunning. I would never ever talk with any person such kinds of topic. It is my first experience with you. Really amazing.
Okay. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Yeah, after tomorrow. About Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad because Independent Day is to come. So that's why I would like to talk to you in this topic.
Yeah, I will try because I'm very single. I'm getting a lot of messages, so I have to connect with all of them, right? So if I'll
Okay.
get time, so
But
I'll must.
I will wait you.
Yeah, thank you. You must share one photo, for thumbnails, okay?
Okay,
Good
okay.
photos. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And keep learning.